How do you avoid feelings in a friends with benefits situation? For me it is very easy. I want no parts of a bona fide relationship. Why, you might ask? I had a horrible 20+ year marriage that was in the midst of a nasty divorce when she died. Next I had a mentally abusive live-in relationship with a closet alcoholic, control freak, and finally I had another mentally abusive live-in relationship with a woman whom I strongly think was a narcissist. Once I got out of that mess I was done trying to make a go of any bona fide relationship. To me the frustration, heartache, and hassle far outweighs any benefits. I won't get into the boring details, but I live in an apartment building that has afforded me opportunities to mingle with other single women. As I met and became friendly with other residents, I made it known emphatically that I was not interested in any relationships. For whatever reason people around here ask about marital status pretty quickly. I'm not stuck up or antisocial, I just don't want bogged down with the relationship scene. While I'm not ruling out that maybe somewhere along the line I may meet a woman who can change my mind, I have serious doubts. So anyway, I have met several women that have the same interest in relationships as I do. As we became friendly and flirty with one another, we found ourselves in an awkward situation that needed clarification. Awkwardly we talked about playing around, and through conversation we discovered that we would be just fine with the whole friends with benefits thing. I have made it abundantly clear that I am not getting in any relationship, and if things get awkward I'm out. I don't date, I don't go out to lunch or movies or anything else like that. Want to spend time together watching movies, talking, or hanging out on one of the balconies, I'm all in. Want to order pizza or share my supper with me while we watch some TV, I'm all in. One very important and crucial rule that I have is that I'm discreet. I don't play favorites, I don't gossip, and I don't kiss and tell. All that teenage, high school drama is a guaranteed deal breaker with me. Once all that was out in the open and the no expectations, no strings rules were agreed to, I was all for being playmates, as I call it. I have 3 playmates in this building and I don't see any possible way that I'm flying under the radar, and I don't care. We all have our fun and enjoy the no rules sex that comes with it. It's been going on for a couple of years now and I'm having a blast. I had a couple of other very short flings that I got bored with and bowed out. I still chat with the ladies, but nothing more, and not one problem. I have absolutely no interest in any of these ladies outside of being friends and being friends with benefits. Do I like them? Of course I do, or I wouldn't be being physical with them. We have a lot of fun clowning around and hanging out as well as being playmates. That's as far as I'm personally willing to take things. My freedom was 30 years in the making and I'm going to fight to keep it with all I have. I think life itself and a lot of hard feelings over the years have made me lose any interest in a bona fide relationship. I don't consider myself a hard case, just a single, middle-aged guy who has paid his dues, taken his lumps, and gotten out of the relationship rat race.